How to add music in Filto app. Let's make your edit even cooler while learning how to add music into Filto app. Open Filto app on your phone and tap the plus button to start new project. Import the photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Once your project loads, look at the bottom toolbar, tap music, tap add music. Filter will show you different music categories and track. Browse and tap on the song to preview it. Found the perfect track. Tap use to add it to your video. Drag the track to sync with your clip. Prefer your own vibe. And here's pro tip. Lower the original clip sound on the volume set so you can add music stand out better. And that's it. You have just added music in Twitter and turned your edit into something amazing. And if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun editing tips. Catch you in the next one.